All right, so we are in the mountains here in Costa Rica. Once again, we got a great view of the coast. Don't ask me what coast that is. I believe it's the Pacific, no, Atlantic. I don't know, something like that. But anyways, so looking at our trade from last week, we invested about $1,000 into T Fuel. Ended up having 2,195 T Fuel. That is currently worth about 1,200, and I checked it earlier, it was like 1,209, something like that. So a little over 20% in a week. Not too bad, if I do say so myself. At one point during the week, we were up 40%, and at another point in the week, we were down like 5%. So, crypto's highly volatile, guys. But when you have a strategy, you just got to stick to it, right? Don't let your emotions get involved. Don't be panic selling, and don't be, selling when prices are low, or buying when prices are high. Obviously, you want to buy when we're low and sell when we're high, but we're doing pretty good. All right, we're up 20% in a week, not too bad. And meanwhile, right, I'm doing some trades. I've been trading Litecoin. I just took a long earlier today. It spiked up. Took about like a 30% profit on that. Yesterday I was short, and the market took off, so I took a little loss there. But overall, I've been making some good profits with trading on the side. Now, that's what's beautiful about the cryptocurrency space, is that there are so many options, right? There's a lot of different ways to make money. I like to promote the passive, building your portfolio, let it grow over time, right? Like the Warren Buffett way of investing in crypto, right? So you've got that on the back burner that is working constantly, right? You've got your patience with that portfolio, you're just letting it play out. But on the active side of things, where you can be doing things on a day-to-day basis, is trading. Now, for trading, I use Market Cipher. Market Cipher is an absolutely amazing tool, right? It's a little indicator that you add on TradingView. TradingView, again, it's a great platform for. I use TradingView for all of my trades, absolutely every single one of them. Whenever I want to get an entry, whenever I want to sell anything, I always use TradingView, and in combination with Market Cipher. I have links to both of those in the description below. Now, the thing with Market Cipher is that when you first download it, when you first start using it, it is a bit complicated to really get a feel for it, to really understand what it is telling you, right? Now, there are instruction videos on Market Cipher's website that really help out with, understanding like the basics with it. But what you really need is time, okay? Well, that's what it comes down to, is time and experience with it, because you can look at all the videos, you can really understand it, you can take notes as you're learning along, okay, cool, but you still won't really get it within like the first week or month or whatever. You need to use it consistently. Every single day, be looking at a certain asset, right? It really goes for cryptocurrencies or any asset that you want to use that you can chart, right? But you want to really get a feel for it, okay? Use all of the indicators that come within Market Cipher in combination. Again, I'm really focused on Market Cipher B, not so much A or the support resistance, like really the momentum waves, right? And the RSIs and the VWAP and everything else, the money flows. You really get a feel for when the market should be curving up or should be curving down, and then you ride along with the wave. That's my way of trading. I don't look for necessarily like for a breakout or for patterns or head and shoulders. I use those as supplements, right? My basis or foundation for trading is really Market Cipher. And then if I'm longing and I see there's an inverse head and shoulders, it's just more confirmation that we've got a bullish pattern. Or if that I see that we're in a symmetrical triangle and the market's been trending up, then I know we could break out of that. And as long as Market Cipher is indicating that we should be bullish, then that's just more confirmation for my trade. Same thing if I'm doing a short. But overall, Market Cipher is really the foundation for my trading. Now, with any trading strategy or with any new thing that you want to implement when it comes to trading or making money, you want to start small. Okay, so what I recommend, if you do start trading with Market Cipher, use very small account sizes and position sizes, again, because you're just trying to get a feel for it. And I'm not kidding you, it doesn't come in a week or a month or two. Give it some time. Give it a month, give it 2 months, give it 3 months. Be as consistent as you can with it. Even if you're not going to make a trade, look at it, study it, look at the VWAP, look at the money flows, look at the RSIs, okay? Momentum waves. It's not like a buy here and sell here indicator. No, you kind of get it's the indicator that gives you the feel for the market. So you can tell when we've kind of bottomed out and it looks like things are bullish for whatever, the next couple days, the next week or two. You can really get a feel for the market with this indicator. That is how I use it. Again, like I don't look for too technical analysis, right? Not too technical with it. I kind of like resonate with the indicator. I get a really good feel for it, and then I can tell when we should be curving up, when we should be curving down. If I'm in a long and things are looking to top out, like if we could be coming down, then I know when to get out. That's what I mainly use Market Cipher for. And I do like the Market Cipher SR because it like auto generates your support and resistance levels. Pretty cool. I like that as well. But yeah, I do use Market Cipher with, like I said, all of my trades. And if you guys want to pick it up, like I said, you want to start with small position sizes, really get a feel for it. Watch the tutorial videos, watch other people's opinion on Market Cipher, what they talk about, what they say. Market Cipher was made by a YouTuber called CryptoFace. I'll link his channel in the description below. Phenomenal guy. I like the way he talks, what he's about. I resonate with him. He's really cool. What he's pushing, what he agrees with, what he doesn't agree with, and he's making some bank. Like he's making some big boy trades. Dude's making some money, and he was the one who actually designed the indicator. He's the one that made Market Cipher. So definitely recommend you guys pick that up. I will be making more videos on this, specifically with my trading. Like I said, I'm doing a little bit like a trading challenge. I'm going to see how much money I end up making with the trade that I'm making on T-Fuel this month, right? Just being passive, not really buying or selling, just bought once and sell once, right? See how much profit I can make there. And then I'm going to grab about the same size trading bag, right? Position size of $1,000. And then for the month of July, I'm going to be trading it using Market Cipher here on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be documenting like how it goes, you know, wins and losses, and from the perspective of someone that isn't really a pro level trader, kind of in that intermediate phase that I'm still in the learning phase, right? But I'm a lot better than a beginner. I've passed the phase where I'm like constantly taking losses, nor am I at the phase where I'm like constantly winning. But I am pretty profitable, so I'll be documenting my trades there, and how I resonate with specifically Market Cipher and how I use it in my trades. I know there's another YouTuber named Jayson Casper. He made a course for Market Cipher. I haven't taken the course, but I've heard pretty good things about it. So if you guys want to take a course on Market Cipher, you guys can check him out. I'll link his channel in the description below. Again, I don't have a problem with like promoting things that I like, you know, like they're not paying me for any of this, but I like to make you guys money. So if I'm using something that's making me money, I want to promote it to you guys. I want to, you know, recommend it to you guys. So I'll have those links in the description below. And for those that don't really like trading, that just are into crypto passive, it is not a bad idea to pick up Market Cipher, because when you go to make entries, when you're dollar cost averaging in, whether you're buying in weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, whatever, when you're actually like sitting there ready to make the purchase, you can tell if the market is at a good time to buy, or if we're looking a bit toppy and we could be coming down for the next day or two. You know, you can get better entries, because I have had plenty of times where, you know, I've had patrons of mine, and they said, oh, well, I bought, you know, T-Fuel or whatever, and like the next day it dropped like 10-15%. And I said, well, yeah, you know, using indicators, using a little bit of your knowledge and technical analysis, you can tell if we are looking like we're at the top, or if it looks like we should be coming down some. Again, you don't want to be buying, you know, a coin after a big green candle. You want to wait for it to come down, consolidate a bit, get a better entry. And I like, what's the word I'm looking for? Sequential numbers. So I like to buy at numbers like 888, 777, 444. 222, 111, you know, like there's something in crypto about these numbers. I always notice that they always peak there and bottom there. So again, it all comes down to what you resonate with. That is what resonates with me. It is what I use in my trading, and I've been, you know, it's been going pretty well for me. So I'll keep you guys updated on the T-Fuel trade, and like I said, I'll be documenting my trades starting next month. If you guys want to sign up for one-on-one crypto mentorship with me, you can through the Patreon link in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe with the post notifications turned on, and I will see you guys next time.